Papatillas.
Mamá, no quiero las papas.
Oh shit, not the papas. What did you get?
I got a double bacon cheeseburger
Double bacon? Double? This one's mine.
with grilled onions on it.
This one's mine.
Se antojó ya tan rápido.
Ten. Esta es tuya. Ten. Damn, she heavy.
Throwing me under the bus and shit. Damn!
She a little heavy.
Maybe playing no games. Yes. Guess what I got? Dile.
I will say.
Double bacon cheeseburger with grilled onions. Cheese rice.
Hello.
Oh my. You know what? You.
Fuck it's hot.
Wow. The grilled onions are nice sweet. That's good.
I need a whole bottle of ketchup.
Una misión. It is true what my coworker told me, you know? When like you prevent yourself